Hi everyone, very quick message to wish you a very happy end of school term. As we head into the festive break, I hope that things are okay with you and yours. I know it can be quite a challenging time of year. That's a little bit of an understatement for maybe many of you. Um, but as we head into the festive season, I guess it's just a reminder that it's okay if we don't do the things that society deems necessary at Christmas time, and that it's totally okay to do what we need to do for our families to support them and us. So just a quick reminder from me on that one, and wishing you all the very best with the couple of weeks ahead. And also a very quick heads up that I will be withdrawing my hour-long What You Need to Know About School webinar, which is a pre-recorded webinar online. I'll be withdrawing it on the 5th of January. So if you would like a copy of that, it's basically accessible online on Teachable for £5. I'm discounting it for the festive season, and just before I withdraw it, to give you a chance to take a look. It's for adoptive parents, special guardians and foster carers. So do take a look at that, links are below. Anyway, I wouldn't want you to miss out, so I just thought I'd just pop that in there for the last couple of weeks and give a quick discount on it. In the meantime, the most important thing, look after yourselves and have a wonderful festive season.